Hello, I'm Freya from FRC 2468 Team Appreciate, and we're going to make one of the electrical connections found on FRC robots. Our goal is to get this end result. First, we will need our 12-gauge wire and a wire stripper. Measure the wire you need to connect your components, and then add an extra inch as precaution. Cut the wire and then separate the black and the red wires on the ends. Once you have the wire length you desire, take the wire stripper and look for the 12-gauge marking. Place the wire in the gap and then strip the insulation as shown. Remember that it is better to stay on the safer side by stripping less rather than more. Continue this process on all your ends. And then we can move on to our next step. Now you will need your crimper and your PP45 crimps. The crimps you use depend on the gauge of your wire. Place your crimp in the crimper gap named 45, and then put your wire in as shown. Make sure that there aren't any copper wires sticking out. Firmly press down until you feel that it is fully crimped. Now repeat the same process with your red wire. Now that you have finished crimping, do a tug test to make sure that your crimps are fully secured. Your next step is adding the PP45 housings. Once your wires are fully secured in their crimps, take the housing of your respective wire and slide the wire in as shown. You should feel a little click to know if your crimp is hooked on into the housing. Repeat the process with your other wire. Once you have added the housings, slide them together in parallel. And now do another tug test for precautionary measures. You now have your wire to connect it to another component. Make sure that you're connecting the wires red to red and black to black. Thanks for watching.